Have you ever wondered how to wear these super cute nail pom-poms? Or be able to change your nail look in the blink of an eye? Magnetic nail charms exist, and I just recently found this out. So let's try to make them. You can even make spinning nail charms. They're super satisfying and relaxing to just spin on your hand while you're typing or sitting at your desk. And the best part is you can just take them off when you're ready to wash your hands or do anything more active so that you don't lose them or that your nails won't be so heavy. You can just pop them off and pop them back on. Super fun, super creative, super cool. I'm going to show you how to make your own DIY magnetic nail charms today for a super budget price. Let's get started. Hey guys, it's Jay the DIY Ninja, and today I'm going to be attempting to make my own DIY magnetic nail charms. I bought this pack of 2,000 pom-poms of various different colors. Everything I have will be in the link in the description box down below, so make sure to check it out if any of these things interest you. I bought everything from Amazon, so here are all the pom-poms. And then I also bought this box of charms. These are slime charms. They're super cute. Let's just take a quick look at all the charms. Oops, but they were really big. They're really big for my nail. So I think I'll do a longer nail look with these. Should be okay. But I did find these two small ones here. I don't know if you can see. These two small ones that may work on a nail like this. I don't know. We'll see. And then I also bought these magnets. This little box of magnets. So these are very tiny, tiny, tiny magnets. Okay, it comes with this little pickup stick. This is the pickup stick. These are the magnets. Let me just put this aside. And then you can see here. I'm gonna put these on. These little magnets. Now just do that again. Oop. One more time. That's how strong these magnets are. Really, really strong. So there's that. And they're super tiny. Like, I'll show you how tiny they are. Whoop, if I can get to it without it attracting itself. Which I don't think I did. Okay. Oh well. It's okay. It's in here somewhere. But yeah, no, it's right here. Tricked it. See how tiny? So I can just place on the nail. Okay. So my theory is if I glue one side onto a nail, the other side onto a charm, I can make them into switchable, customizable charms, nail charms. Okay, so I have already prepped a set of white nails here. These are just short coffin nails I painted with beetles, white gel polish, 2 coats, and 1 top it off beetles top coat. So there's that. I'm going to use my rhinestone glue gel to adhere the magnets on. So let's see if this works. Got my gloves on because I'm highly allergic to gel. Got my rhinestone glue. I got my gel brush, pointer tool with the brush. I'm going to just take this nail. Let's put this. Scoop a glove up. Okay, we're gonna zoom in. This is focused. I'm going to place a blob. Very generous blob onto there. Okay, and then I'm just going to place the magnet onto the gel. And make sure you put the right side of the magnet facing up, and you want to make sure you test which side should be facing up and which side should be facing down before you put it onto the gel. Otherwise that'll just make things a lot harder for you. And you also want to make sure you do this before you cure, so that you don't cure it on the wrong way, otherwise your whole nail is ruined. So I'm just adjusting the magnet. Depending on the charm, you may want to put it up a little bit towards the cuticle or down a little bit, depending on how big your charm is. And then you can also smooth out any excess rhinestone glue gel, just so there won't be any lumps and bumps. But you do want to make sure there's enough to kind of surround the edges of the magnet so that it has a sturdy enough grip. And now we're going to cure it for at least, I cured it for 2 minutes. You can probably just cure it for 1 minute in LED, but I have a UV lamp, so I cured it for 2 minutes. And there is the nail cured. So it is securely on there now. I'm just going to test it. So this little pickup stick has 2 ends, so one side will fit and one side will stick, and one side won't. So you're just going to make sure you put the magnet that sticks on to there, and so you know which side to glue onto your charm. So there we go, that's the opposite side, and the other side is the side that sticks. Okay, so now I know which side to glue onto my charm. I'm going to take more of my rhinestone glue gel and put it onto the back of my charm here. If you're new to my channel, you know my vision is very, very horrible. So the whole time I was making this, I thought these were little bows, but it wasn't until I finished filming and I took a closer look at the footage that I realized they're actually little gummy bears. So the whole time I'm like styling the nail like it's a bow, but no, it's a gummy bear. And I'm putting the magnet right in the middle and using my brush to just press it down and surround the gel around the magnet to make sure it's secure. Just kind of tapping it in there and smoothing it out. And then another 2 minutes in UV, 1 minute for LED. And there we go, all secured. Now you can do the same method with top coat, though it may not be as sturdy. Let's test it out and see if it works. And it does. So here I'm turning upside down, shaking it, it's not moving. I can also spin it, which is cool. This was actually like pretty satisfying to spin on my nail, but you just have to make sure that you place the magnet exactly where you want it so that it's balanced. So since this was not a symmetrical shape, it was a gummy bear, so one side was thicker than the other, it was slightly wobbly, but you know, you get the gist. It worked, so that's what I was happy about. It definitely worked. Look at how cute. I thought it was a ball, just like slanting it sideways, but it's a gummy bear, and then you just, oh, there's a gummy bear. You can turn it however you like, and that's what the magnet looks like underneath. So you can actually remove this to wash your hands or do dishes or wear gloves if you're, you know, depending on the weather. So it's a lot of versatility and creativity with this project. And here I made a pom-pom version. I'm just gonna stick that on to show you. Look at how cute. And since I bought all those millions of pom-poms, I can just make one of each color and switch them out to match my outfit if I wanted to. And this is definitely a really more affordable and cost-efficient way to make magnetic nail charms, because when I was looking up to buy them, when I discovered they existed, it was like $10 to $20 for one charm. I mean, they were a lot bigger and fluffier pom-poms and things like that, but at the same time, it's so easy to make yourself, and you can just make a whole bunch of different ones. Like you can do this with big chunky rhinestones or like bling clusters. You can do this with a whole bunch of other charms that would fit. So yeah, possibilities are endless. Showing you the side profile, they do kind of seem a little bit tall on the nail, and they will be knocked off if you hit them at a certain side angle. So this isn't exactly very practical, but it's super cute for like pictures or photo shoots. Let's say a maternity photo shoot, you can do like a little pink pom-pom, blue pom-pom, or different kind of nail charm just for your, you know, switch them out for different photo looks to match your outfits, things like that. So yeah, thought this was a super cool project. Here I'm showing you on the nail set what it would look like and how easy they are to switch out. But again, the magnets are strong, but they're not like the strongest. So you're gonna still want to be careful and gentle if you're like working on a farm or doing some kind of physical activity. You're gonna want to take your charm off. So yeah. But if you're just sitting at a desk typing, they'll do just fine. You can just take them off before you go to the bathroom, etc, etc. It's super fun, super cute. I definitely had fun doing this project. You see, you can shake them, they don't fall off, but if you just knock them from the side at a certain angle, they will fall off. So, like I said before, not the most practical, but definitely very, very adorable and cool. And I'm glad this concept worked out, because I haven't seen any other videos on YouTube of people actually making their own nail charms. So yeah, I'm happy with the possibilities of enhancing my nail looks with this technique. And it's just really satisfying taking the magnets on and off and spinning them around. Super, super fun. Let me know what you think about this project in the description box down below. Make sure to subscribe if you're new to my channel and ring the notification bell to be notified of when I post next. Thumbs up this video if you found this creative or cute or useful in some way. Here are what the nails look like on my hand. I'm wearing a sweater that matches my pom-pom. It's so cute. I really love it. And the pom-pom's actually really soft. They're tiny, but they're super soft and fluffy. So cute. I love this look for summer and spring. Okay, thanks for watching. Bye!